So you want to update your old kitchen and you don't want to spend a lot of money. So we're going to call that we are on a budget. We're going to need to visit why you're in a budget. One, you're on a budget because you're about to sell and you want to spruce things up so that you catch the potential buyer's eye and leave. Two, you want to update just because you feel like you're bored or just because something doesn't work or it is broken. And then you want to, you're going to still live in the house, right? And then you just don't want to spend lots of money. So in both scenarios, I will take two different approaches. If you are sprucing up your old home to sell, most of the time, the best thing to do is to just do new counters and new backsplash. That should be enough to catch the eye and kind of show people that, hey, later when you come in, if you want to paint your cabinets or if you want to do a little bit more, you can. But I have done the basics. So again, the basics will be new countertop and new backsplash. Something more eye-catching, something more, again, traditional by today's standards. If you're going to spruce it up, but you're staying in the home, then you need to have a plan in place for project 1, 2, 3, whatever it takes, whatever, depending on your budget, right? Because most of the time at that point, changing the backsplash and the countertop is not going to be enough. We're going to want to talk about functionality. What was functional 40 years ago is not what we think is functional today. And if you're aging in place, we need to be talking about this before you spend any money. So we need to be talking about colors that will stay for whatever time period you're going to stay in the house, right? You want to do this once and be done. Then we're going to talk again about doing new counter, new backsplash. But with that, potentially we need to do new sink, new faucet, new paint on the walls, and then it will take us to flooring. So you see, the answer is more stage portions if you stay in the home, quick and easy if you're just going to update your old kitchen to leave.